First, that is review of random variable. So we'll study about only review about the random variables. First we will see about what is sample space and what is sample point and events. ठीक है. And first we will say what is an event. Event is the possible outcome of an experiment, and the range of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called the sample space of the experiment. So you already know about the sample space and sample point. So when the trial is taken, any one of the sample point in the sample space is the outcome of the trial. Thus the sample point S always lies in the sample space capital S. Okay, sample space is represented by capital S and sample point is represented by small s. An event may correspond to a single sample point or set of sample points. Now definition of random variable: a function which takes on any value from the sample space and its range is some set of real numbers is called the random variable of the experiment. For example, if we toss a coin, so the outcomes are head and tail. So capital S is equals to H and T. So if we define the function, that is random variable x, such that x is equals to 1 for s equal to h and x equal to -1 for s equal to t, this represents the outcomes of an experiment in two sample points 1 and -1 on the real line. Another example is the sample space for the experiment for throwing a dice consists of 6 possible outcomes, that is x equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. If we define a random variable x is equals to s square, then the outcome of an experiment are mapped into integer 1 4 9 16 25 and 36. So that is x is equals to 1 4 9 16 25 and 36. So these are the two examples for taking the random variable. Now types of random variable: there are two types of random variable, discrete random variable and continuous random variable. So what is the discrete random variable? The random variable x is a discrete if x can take only finite number of values in finite observation interval. Thus discrete random variable has countable number of values. For example, the experiment of throwing a dice and tossing a coin appearing h and t. So thus random variables have countable real numbers. Now experiment type 2, that is continuous random variable. The random variable x is continuous if x can take on infinite number of values in any finite observation interval, or random variable x can take any real value in a whole observation interval. For example, the noise voltage. Noise voltage is the random experiment. So noise voltage amplitude is the example of random experiment of continuous. So we can say the example: the noise voltage generated by an electronic amplifier has a continuous amplitude. Therefore the sample space S of the noise voltage is amplitude S is continuous. Therefore random variable x has continuous random value.